to go to the lake and there's a pineapple somewhere in the lake.
Yo, sugar.
And you gotta touch it.
Hey, yo, what do you mean by touch it?
No, you just not like that.
What's up?
Hey, is anybody down to go to a private server with me?
I'll do it.
Oh, are you there? Okay. Here, let me add you first so I can.
Okay, I just gotta put something away.
Green.
Guys, I just hit my fucking stick.
Green.
Oh, prop
Scanner. Guys, who wants to join my code?
Green.
Are you the skeleton dude? Is that what your name is?
Green.
You don't have a name.
Green.
Fight me.
Hey, Green. What in trade?
Fireboys.
This.
Guys,
Did you?
that
I don't need it. anymore.
I want a crossbow.
Okay, join me and let me make sure I go online.
Yes, I do. Give me a crossbow.
Are you there? Did I add you?
Guys.
Did you add the right person though?
Guys.
Yeah.
I saw Big 09. Well.
Oh, okay.
Cares,
let me go online. Okay, join me.
This thing, but I'm gonna show you it.
Should I do no PvP or nah?
Well, you might scam me.
Bro, I already have this.
So you actually want crossbow?
No.
Okay, but I still want to defeat that boss, the new boss. Yeah, bro. I'm recording a video.
Appear offline so we don't have so many people trying to join us.
I'm recording a video right now, and I want to like defeat the new boss.
Yeah, me too. I don't know how to get to the boss though. How do you get to him?
Well,
Prop scanner. I don't have enough for anything. I just realized. Oh, but I do have enough to get the shovel. Should I get the shovel?
Bro, just tripped.
Or like, what all is new in this update? Why is a can of beans still?
Bro, I just tripped on my cord. Wait, it is for you?
I'm gonna get the shovel.
Or I can take it out.
Yo. I got a shovel.
Okay, I'm gonna search up
come
how
on,
to
let's
get
go to the
new
new boss. Do you know how to get to the boss?
Hold up. Just gotta search it up. Get to the new boss.
You need to get me a weapon. Where's all my weapons? Oh my god, dude, I have enough for nothing. Large needle. Pretty sure if I went in the mines, I would have enough to get it. Or, like, I don't know. Shovel it.
Okay. I think I'm watching.
Here, I'm gonna buy 2 glow sticks, one for me, one for you.
Goodbye.
Okay, hold up.
Here. There's one for you, one for me. I recommend taking a backpack.
Okay.
Do you know how to get to the boss?
Yeah, I actually know. But wait.
Okay, let's go, because I don't know how to get to the boss. I know for a fact I could beat the boss. Wait, do you have enough for 2? I have $48 left.
I'll just buy a pickaxe. Okay.
Alright, let's go.
Okay, we have to go to circus.
Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna open this. I'm gonna open all my rare stuff. Or at least my mob crate. I'm gonna open this. Should I open this?
No, come on, brother. No, I think you should just save it.
Yeah, I also have a VPN, so I can dupe it.
Okay, I'm gonna bring the burrito with me.
What does the burrito do?
When you eat it, it makes you like do this. Oh,
Here, come on. Let's go get to the circus, dude. Because I know how to beat him. You just gotta jump over his waves and then do something.
Hold up! Yo!
White thing.
Yo! Please tell me you
Those are
have a
lot
hook
of
shot. Do you have a hook shot?
I don't have a hook shot.
Look, we have to go back to the lobby because we need.
Okay.
I'm going broke.
Okay, I got it.
I'm going broke today. I'm going broke. Okay. Take this hook shot.
I have a mega flashlight if I should bring that.
I mean, I got one too. Oh, my stomach.
Yo, why did we come back to the main lobby?
To get your hook shot.
Oh. Oh, thank you. Let's go. Skyler, stop pissing at your child, you fucking bitch.
Bro, I have to work. Bro, this. Bro,
Forgot how good I am with the damn hook shot.
It's actually crazy. Bro, I don't want this to be.
Yo, go to channel 3. You on channel 3?
Yep, I'm on channel 3.
Come on, let's go. We went the wrong way. We gotta go a little bit more farther.
Yeah, we have to go to circus.
You on channel 3?
Oh yeah, I'm on channel 3 still.
Alright, good. Let's go. Come. Travel on my map or do? Okay, see I'm stealing.
What? Hold up.
No, this dude is like really fast. I keep him on.
Hold up, bro. I keep respawning. I keep respawning.
What the fuck?
I kept respawning.
Okay. He knows about this clown fucker.
Yeah.
And I say he's fast.
Yeah. So first, he's fat. You're correct. Second, he is annoying. And third, he ate 3
Oh my god. Watch out, I know how to do this. I don't have enough for my weapon that I had, and I don't have enough for my backpack.
And I don't have enough.
And I don't
for a
even
hook
think.
shot.
Do you have enough for a hook shot? Okay. Do you have enough for another weapon? I don't have a weapon.
Yeah.
Like
Yeah,
any
to-
weapon you have will be good.
Okay, what kind of weapon do you want?
Any kind. I don't really care. If you have an axe, that would be amazing.
Go take that.
Yo, what? What is this?
It's like a blade.
Okay, so it can't go in your hip, but it can go in the back. Okay, you ready? Let's just go straight there and don't do anything.
Alright.
And if we die, don't try to use your hook shot. Put your hook still on channel 3. Forgot how
Yeah, I'm still on channel 3.
high bro. Another thing too, don't try to hook onto the ceiling lights. Cause they're metal, that's how I died. I tried to hook onto the ceiling light.
Oh yeah, it's metal. Please stay.
Okay, remember.
Bro, I just hit my sister with my controller.
Oh, I already see him.
I know you're right there.
Where do you go? How do you get to the boss?
This way.
Watch out, don't get too low. No! One minute! How do I get out?
He won't kidnap you if I'm the last one.
How do I get out?
Shoot! Okay, what do we do?
Dude, I literally can't do anything. How do I get out? Oh,
I'm
he's
just
gonna
gonna
kill
let
me.
Ethan first get up.
I'm fucking dead.
Frick. I need you to come back, bro.
This thing fucking stopped halfway through and then it fucking launched me off. Now I'm fucked.
Just come back.
Yeah, I'm gonna, like, be relied to open my crate. I need a weapon.
Here's a basketball.
I got a fucking